Welcome to our comparison of the OLIXIS Ice Maker and the Smug Ice Maker. Both of these machines are designed for efficiency and portability, making them perfect for home use, camping, or RV trips. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, comparing their ice production speed, water tank capacity, and additional features that set them apart. Let's find out which ice maker is the better choice for your needs. Both the OLIXIS and Smug ice makers boast an impressive ice production speed, delivering 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid output makes them ideal for parties or gatherings where quick access to ice is essential. Despite their similarities in speed, we will further explore how their daily production capabilities differ. When it comes to water tank capacity, the Smug Ice Maker takes the lead with a 1.5-liter tank, compared to the OLIXIS's 1.0-liter tank. This larger capacity means less frequent refilling, allowing for uninterrupted ice production, which is a significant advantage for users who require a steady supply of ice. The Smug Ice Maker features advanced infrared sensors for monitoring water levels and ice fullness, providing a more reliable user experience. In contrast, the OLIXIS relies on standard indicators for these functions. This difference in technology can impact the overall convenience and efficiency of the ice-making process. In conclusion, both the OLIXIS and Smug ice makers offer excellent features for portable ice production. While they share many similarities, the Smug's larger water tank and advanced smart features give it a slight edge. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.